we take for granted all the scoring and timing, all the things we see on screen in qualifying and in the race. How does it happen? Well, Jonathan Green's caught up with Jean Campiche from Tag Heuer to give us our off-track buzz this weekend.
Well, the expression, timing is everything, it couldn't be more appropriate for Formula One. It really is the essence of the sport and the most important thing that happens at the weekend. The responsibility for that timing is with Tag Heuer and Jean Campiche, who's in charge of that. First of all, Jean, tell us a little bit about how the system that you use works.
Okay, we have to install at board of each car one transponder. A transponder is a small transmitter mounted below the car. When the car passes the finish line, we have integrated in the road an antenna. So automatically when the car crosses the finish line, we receive the information of which car is it. So naturally the number and the name of the competitor. We can guarantee with this system a precision of a 10,000th of a second.
That information is important to the driver, the teams, the media, and of course the worldwide. How quickly can you get all of that information back to us?
So only with a small restriction of 0.2 of a second, because we have two systems working together and we have to check that the two systems give exactly the same information. This is the sensor. This sensor is integrated in the road. As soon as the car arrives in that position, the sensor is able to feel and to know that the car is here. So if the car is moving, the signal will change of intensity. So because the intensity can change, we are able to detect the movement of the car. The other system is what we used in the past, is an infrared photocell. But you know, with this system, the human must say, it was Schumacher, it was Irvine, it was Hakkinen. Naturally, all the impulses are brought for the two intermediate time and from the finish line to a track where we have the timing center. We use optic fiber effectively to bring all the information around the racetrack. So this aspect is very modern and very important now to make sure that we receive all the information without problem. Another aspect is the distribution of the video signal. As you can see on these monitors, we send all the rankings, the sector times, the speeds on these monitors for the engineers, the drivers, for the officials, and for the TV commentators.
Formula One is always developing. What's the next thing for timing?
It will be probably more information to understand better when a car slows down during the race, or if maybe a competitor has a possibility to catch and maybe to pass at the last lap. So I can't make a claim today, but for sure Tag Heuer is going to work very hard to make everybody happy.